We've stressed the importance of advanced weed control for establishing natives. Fortunately, when it comes to big blue stem, little blue stem, Indian grass, side oats, all of those species, we have a herbicide tool that works very well for us. It's a Mazapic, which is sold as either Plateau, Panoramic, or Journey. Same active ingredient, 3 different labels. That product is actually very, very useful to us when we're establishing these grasses because we can spray it after we drill, and it's active in the soil and suppresses weed development for a number of weeks following application. So what I want to show you here in front of me is a group of seedlings, and you can see big blue stem, Indian grass, a number of seedlings here in front of me. Very, very clean stand, very good looking seedlings. And here we just have a small patch where when the tractor turned, it got skipped. And this patch right here is full of goosegrass, which is very common in these fields, as well as foxtail. What you can see is the dramatic difference in weed pressure from some of these summer annual grasses that we have where the herbicide was not applied compared to where it was applied. And so going forward, once this stand is established, we'll be able to see this weak spot in the stand for years to come where the native grass will be thinner because of that weed competition. What I want to show you here is all the competition. You see all these little grass seedlings germinating. A lot of that I believe is crabgrass, some of it may be goosegrass. More importantly, I want to point out this right here, this little sprig of Bermuda grass, common Bermuda grass that's coming back from our competition control program. So we want to kill this. Here's a little bit more right there. So behind the drill, in addition to spraying Plateau, we are going to spray 2 quarts of glyphosate to try to clean all that up.
Native grass seedlings do not require high fertility. In fact, where nitrogen levels are high, weed competition will be greater. As long as phosphorus and potassium are not deficient and acidity is not excessive, establishment of native grasses will not be hampered. Some native grasses, notably eastern gamma grass and some varieties of switchgrass, have inherently high dormancy rates. You need to be aware of this possibility and be prepared to address it. There are several effective strategies for dealing with dormancy, including purchasing seed that has been stratified or is after ripened, or by planting high dormancy seed during late winter.